up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a clean 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, the real deal 138 car. My VIN number, this is an SS. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. There's no ugly, there's no bad on this car. I can tell you that off the rip. This car is in very good condition. Before we get started, I need you to hit the subscribe button right now. If you're new to my channel and you want to see all of our classic cars, hit the subscribe button. This way you can see all of our inventory as we get it in, and as me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. You can watch us buy the classic cars and sell them. So hit that subscribe button right now for me, guys. Appreciate you. Let's go ahead and get started. 1968 Chevelle SS. Bought this from one of my clients in Connecticut. He actually bought it from his co-worker. They were in the sanitation business. Guy retired and sold it to him. He had it for like 10 years. My client that I bought it from. So I believe it's 2 owners. It's extremely clean. Real nice car. It's got a little bit of modifications done to it, which we'll go through. We're gonna go over the outside of the body, then the interior, then mechanics and undercarriage. Do a full walkthrough of it. We'll start with the door and roof. The roof is in good condition. There's no visible flaws on the roof. You go down here to the door. Door's in great condition. No flaws whatsoever that I can see, except for a little chip right here. You got that little chip. Door closes really nice and easy. The paint on it, I would probably say, is 8.5 out of 10. It's a really nice paint job. It could even be a 9. I mean, it's a real nice looking car for sure. I don't see any runs in the paint. I don't see any orange peel in the paint. Body line gap is nice. Body line over here is good. The door sits really well. There's no crookedness in it. Moving on to the fender, same thing. You got a little bit of dirt right here, a baby little scratch here. It's right in the clear. That'll polish right out. Little chip right there. You got one little imperfection in the paint there and there. Tires are in great condition. You got these American racing wheels. These are 18-inch. You got disc brakes. Lights are in good condition. Grill's in good condition. A little bit of wear here on the bumper. The hood sits nice and even on both sides. I don't see any flaws on the hood. A little dirt there, but no flaws. Same thing here. Body line is real nice there. Wheels in good shape. Tires in good shape. I don't think this review is going to be really long because there's not a lot wrong with this for me to point out, guys. I'll show you a lot of the pluses when we go through it. But this car is in good shape. This is a winner here for sure. Again, gap is even all the way through, real nice. Window sits up a little high here, it looks like. And a little gap right there. Shuts good. Same thing, tires in great shape. Wheel is in great shape. Quarter panel, I don't see any Bondo or any body work here whatsoever. I don't see any waves in the paint. I don't see any scratches, any flaws, nothing on the roof. A little pitting here, just a little bit. Got a kill switch here. See how the trunk is lined up both sides pretty even, the gaps. Solid car, guys. I don't see any visible flaws on the trunk lid whatsoever. Yeah, guys, this thing is super clean, absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, there's not too much bad about this car at all. Quite honestly, there's really nothing. Frame's in great shape. It's always been garage kept. Floors are all good, no issues. I got paperwork on the engine and trans that was done. Ooh. All right, so it's got a 454 under the hood, so it's non-matching numbers. Still a big block. Power steering, power disc brakes. Like I said, the engine and trans have less than, I think, 5,000 miles or 10,000 miles on it. I gotta look at the paperwork, but not a whole lot. MSD ignition. Upgraded radiator. Interior's in good shape. Seats are perfect. Headliner's perfect. Rear seats in good shape. It's got an aftermarket gauge here. Horn works. Got gauges here. Real quick, like. In the trunk. Now this should be this color here, but somebody did undercoat it at some point. A correct undercoat would have been that. That's what somebody should have did to it. But all the seams are good. It don't look like the car was hit. And it does have a rear battery. They didn't mount it in the back with the kill switch there. Guys, leave me a comment. What do you think about this car? You like it, love it, hate it? Lights work. Works. Works. Okay, right turn signal. It's just lit up. So left is working. Right is not, but I'll have Bill look at it and that should be an easy fix. I'm guessing a bulb is out. That works. Time to go for a drive. All right, Chris, we're in the 68 Chevelle. Let's go. This car sounds really, really good.
It sounds amazing. There's one thing about Chevys that I love. Honestly, they're very, very good sounding. She's got some power.
Holy.
That big block 454.
I think this is faster than the Shelby.
It might be. I don't know.
Just take it easy.
She's jumpy too.
So the throttle's super responsive.
Very. Like if I just slammed it, we're spinning out. I can tell you that.
It's got a shift kit in it.
Yeah.
So, three-speed
shift kit.
Yep.
It handles the road pretty well. It's hitting the bumps and we're not all over the road.
Get over here so you can turn around.
I'm gonna turn that angle.
Okay.
See how the brakes feel in a second.
So you're in third gear already.
Third, right.
Right, so you need to put it in first.
Down it first. Give it a second.
Let these cars go.
Give it a 7.5. That took that real well.
So if somebody wants to buy this car, what do they do?
If you guys want to buy the car, either call, text us, DM us, or comment on YouTube, comment at any of our social pages. Give us a call, and then we'll set it up.
guys heard it here first. If you like this car, you want to buy, give us a call or go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com, 215-805-3100. That's the office number, or you can reach me directly, 215-801-9493. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. If you like this video, hit the like button. Better yet, subscribe. Talk to you guys later.